Central Bank of India, a government-owned bank, is one of the oldest and largest commercial banks in India. It is based in Mumbai. The bank has 4,600 branches in 4 extension counters across 27 Indian states and 3 union territories. At present, Central Bank of India has overseas office at Nairobi, Hong Kong, and a joint venture with Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, and the Zambian government. The Zambian government holds 40% stake and each of the banks has 20%. Recently it has also opened a representative office at Nairobi, Kenya. Central Bank of India is one of 18 public sector banks in India to get recapitalisation finance from the government over the next 24 months. Central Bank of India has approached the Reserve Bank of India for permission to open representative offices in 5 more locations: Singapore, Dubai, Doha and London. As on March 31, 2011, the bank's reserves and surplus stood at 68,688 million. Its total business at the end of the last fiscal amounted to 22,124, approximately, a million. History: it was established on December 21, 1911 by Sir Sorabji Pochkanawala with Sir Firozeshah Mehta as chairman, and claims to have been the first commercial Indian bank completely owned and managed by Indians. By 1918 it had established a branch in Hyderabad. A branch in nearby Secunderabad followed in 1925. In 1923, it acquired the Tata Industrial Bank in the wake of the failure of the Alliance Bank of Simla. The Tata Bank, established in 1917, had opened a branch in Madras in 1920 that became the Central Bank of India, Madras. Central Bank of India was instrumental in the creation of the first Indian exchange bank, the Central Exchange Bank of India, which opened in London in 1936. However, Barclays Bank acquired Central Exchange Bank of India in 1938. Also before World War II, Central Bank of India established a branch in Rangoon. The branch's operations concentrated on business between Burma and India, and especially money transmission via telegraphic transfer. Profits derived primarily from foreign exchange and margins. The bank also lent against land, produce, and other assets, mostly to Indian businesses. Post-World War II, in 1963, the revolutionary government in Burma nationalised Central Bank of India's operations there, which became People's Bank No. 1. In 1969, the Indian government nationalised the bank on July 19, together with 13 others. In the 1980s the managers of the London branches of Central Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, and Union Bank of India were caught up in a fraud in which they made dubious loans to the Bangladeshi jute trader Rajendra Singh Sethia. The regulatory authorities in England and India forced all 3 Indian banks to close their London branches. Central Bank of India was one of the first banks in India to issue credit cards in the year 1980 in collaboration with MasterCard. Central Bank of India announces that the financial results for the year ended 2013 total business Rs 402,000 crore. Net profit Rs 1015 crore. On August 1, 2013, Central Bank of India appoints new commander Rajiv Rishi, who was previously ED of Indian Bank and General Manager of OBC, and Raj Kumar Goyal as the new ED of the bank. On November 1 of the same year, the bank opened its second representative office in Hong Kong. See also, Indian banking, list of banks in India, citations and references, citations. References: Record Harai, Tapan, Irfan Habib, and Dharma Kumar, eds. The Cambridge Economic History of India, Volume 2, C 1751-C 1970, ISBN 9780521228022, Turnell, Sean. Fiery Dragons, Banks, Money Lenders and Microfinance in Burma, ISBN 9780776940409, external links, Central Bank of India official website.